Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to rotate a video that you want to post on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to launch your TikTok app and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. And now just go ahead and click on the upload section at the lower right corner of your screen, and then just go ahead and choose the video that you want to rotate. Now just click on next. So here just want to click on this button at the upper right side or corner of your screen, and now just go ahead and click on the rotate button at the lower right side of your screen, and as you can see, that is how you rotate a video on TikTok. And click on save and next, and you can post that video. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.